The terrain that we're working on is anything from a lump of coal to fine silt coal dust. It's very unstable under the footing. So every time there is excavation of some of that, more of the pile fills in.